Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on invite link of your group chats on your account on Messenger. Easy and quick. First click on your group and click here. Now here you will find invite link. Click on it and click like this and it will be turned on. That's how to turn on invite link on your group chat on your account on Messenger. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.